you're so different. Your eyes, your skin, you're so white. I decide that nobody can no longer make me hate my body. My name is Jewell. I'm a DJ, a model, and also an actor. I'm probably one of the whitest men on this planet. I'm what's called an albino. I don't have pigmentation in my skin. My parents are from Africa, and in Africa, being an albino can be difficult. But thanks Lord, I was born in France. My brother, sister, and my parents always treated me like I was normal. But for my large family, I was a gift. With them, being an albino was fun, really fun. Two experiences made me realize that I was different, both almost at the same time. One with my ex-girlfriend, because her mother was like, he's really a nice guy, but he's not like us. People talk, so you can be friends with him, but he can't be your boyfriend. No. The second was when I entered the artistic world. All photograph, makeup artist, hairdresser, they was like, oh, you're so different. Your eyes, your hair, your skin, you're white, you're so white. And I was like, yes, I know, but I'm black too. I'm like you. I'm a human being, so I'm white. You white, you black, but what do you mean by you so different? And then I understood why they were telling this. Since this time, I decided to no longer let the people have power on me. I love me and nobody can make me hate my body. 8 years ago, we were only a few albino working in the artistic world. Now we are much more. And thanks to the social media, we are no longer different because it's easier for the people to see the albino. It's easy for everybody to ask, what's your particularity? It's easy for us, albino, to talk to each other, to bring some advice, bring some joy, bring some help. If I have to talk to the young me, I will tell him that, don't worry. You will realize that you are beautiful. You're not really different. You are like everybody, with your particularity. Love your own body. Love your own mind. Do whatever you want, because the only limit that you can have, it's the limit that you will impose to yourself. We are all beautiful. We all have to learn how to love ourselves before asking the other people to love our body. When you wake up, start your day saying to yourself that you are beautiful. Smile to yourself and then go. Wow.
What do you think?
That's really beautiful. I have no word. I have a lot of color on my body, and for me, all that color means all the differences that we have between us.